Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if your little one loves push pop toys, you're gonna want to check out this one from BULINGNA. It's in the shape of the cutest little owl. It's made out of silicone, so it's really easy to clean in case your little one slobbers all over it like mine does. Sometimes my little one will chew on the eyes because they're thick, and sometimes he's teething, so that's soothing for him. But what I love the most is the exposure that my little one gets to the alphabet. We can practice the letters, and it's just a fun, educational way to keep him entertained in the car or at the doctor's appointments. It's really good quality, and I can tell it's gonna last a long time. So if you're in the market for your little one's next toy, definitely check out this little push pop fidget sensory toy from BULINGNA because your little one will love it. They will keep busy while they learn their letters, and that's my point of view.